Dear students, I hope you all are well and staying at home at the time of corona pandemic. Today, I shall discuss very important topics of your grammar, about suffix and prefix. So, at first you have to know where suffix and prefix come from. So, suffix and prefix comes from main words, the root words, affix. Affix means root words. So, from this root words, suffix and prefix comes. So, what is suffix? At first, I will give a definition from prefix. Look at this carefully. Prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. That means prefix, pre means before and fix means substitutions. So prefix means a group of words or a words set before main words or root words. Dear students, look at the boards. I will give you some example. Suppose able. Able is a root words or main word. So able change into unable. Here un is prefix here. Willing, unwilling. Social, antisocial. And justice, injustice. Here we can give many more examples like this. You will learn many more examples from your text. Now I will give you the definition of suffix. Do you know what is suffix? Suffix means a letter. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to the end of the word or base words to form a new word. That means suffix is a letter or group of letters. So to change its meaning, we set or substitute a words or parts of words after root words or main words. I think so you are clear about this. To suffix and prefix. Now I will give some example about suffix. Dear students, look at the board. I will give you some example about suffix. So actually to make plural form we use suffix. Suppose here is book. Book turn into suffix books to make plural. So we use plural form to build up suffix. Again baby. So baby turn into babies. Why? Babies, we know if last word of a word, last letter of a word is vowel, and previous words is consonant. So Y turn into is. At the place of Y we use to make plural add is. So baby turn into babies. Here ox into oxen. Again sometimes verb to turn into noun. Here act is a verb. So act turn into active. So here act is a verb, active is noun. Sometimes we use suffix to transfer verb into noun. Again, to form tense. Suppose root word is paint. You know what is paint? Paint turn into painted. To form suffix. To form tense also. And painting also. Again, you look at the board. Noun turn into adverb. Brave, bravely. So, dear students, you will learn this at home and you will get clearance about, you will be more clear about suffix and prefix. And this is the very simple part, or important, also simple and easy and important also. So you will practice at home, and you will be more clear about these topics, inshallah. So see you next time.